guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I have for you today is I want to make a Cricut Fall Farmhouse DIY decor. I think this is going to be so cute, and I'm going to put it in my kitchen, and I found a free printable that I'm going to be putting in the description box below. And then I found this little mason jar wood cutout at Walmart. Now you can make this if you don't have a Cricut. All you'd have to do is just print it out on the clear Avery sticker sheets or the white Avery sticker sheets if you do not have a Cricut. And you can also use those sticker sheets with your Cricut. But let me first show you how to, if you have the Cricut, how to get this image so it will come in. You can upload it to your Cricut. Okay, I'm just going to go right here. This is the one that I picked out. I think you get 4 of them or 5. They're very pretty. So when it comes in, if you have a Mac, you'll hit File, then you'll hit Export, and then it comes in as a PDF, okay? And on her site, she has a free little converter that you can use. But I just do this. You can change it to a PNG right here, and that's what I'm doing, okay? But you can change it to any of these others. You would click on PNG and then hit Save. Since I've already done that, I'm just going to skip this, okay? So let me make this larger again. Okay, so we have Design Space loaded here on our screen. So I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for new project, replace what I was working on. Okay, and we are going to go to Images, and Uploaded is already checked because I was working on it. So I'm going to click on the image that I want. It'll put a green box around it. Then we'll go to the right bottom corner, Insert Images, and that will put it on our screen. Okay, so I'm going up here out from size. There's a little lock. I'm going to unlock this, and I'm going to make this 6.75 by 9.25 high, okay, and lock that back. All right, now I'm going over to Shapes on the left hand side of the screen. I'm going to pick me a circle. I'm going to change the color just so I can see it better. Then there's a little lock right here. Let me zoom in. There's a little lock right here. I'm going to unlock it, and I'm just going to start making this to where it's like, basically it's oval, okay? So then I'm going to go out from size again, and for my circle, I want my circle to be 4.972 wide by 6.458 in height, and then lock that back, okay? Then all I'm going to do is put this over here where I think I want it. Then I'm going up to the top where it says Arrange, click on that, move backward, and then that is behind there now. Then all I'm going to do is draw a box around that. I'm going down to the bottom of the Layers column and hit Slice, okay? And that's what we have. Then I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to delete all of that because I don't need that. Then we're going to make it. Now you'll see here in the Layers column, it's a cut then print, which is what I want, and I wanted it in this oval. So we're going to go to Make It, right top corner. My Cricut is set to custom, so I'm going to go Continue, right bottom corner. I've already printed this. I had a technical problem, so I've already printed it. So if you've already printed, right here on the right, it's in green, it says I've already printed. Okay, and I have the printable vinyl. I've already made it a favorite because it's starred, so I'm going to click on that. For my pressure, I'm going to add more. And then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable Cricut Fall Farmhouse DIY decor for my kitchen. Okay, here's our image that we just printed out, and then the Cricut's going to cut it. If you don't have a Cricut, all you'd have to do is just cut it out to the image you want, or you could just frame this and it would be beautiful, okay? I have my standard grit mat, and this is what I was telling you about. This shot, when you have the printable vinyl, This side's relatively shiny and this one isn't, and you load the shiny side up, at least in my computer, so it will print out right. Okay, so I'm going to put this right on here like this. Going to put it under those little feet there and hit the blinking arrow to insert. So simple. And the blinking C to cut. And what it's going to do, it'll read the registration marks first, but it's just going to cut out an oval and make an oval sticker. And this is what I picked up. It was just the mason jar. And I used my Arteza acrylic markers to paint this with, but I thought, why am I wasting all that paint for the center, because that's going to be hidden. I really kind of wish I'd put this like a cream color or something, but I didn't, and it is still really cute. So this is what we're going to put it on, and like I said, I got that at Walmart, and that wasn't much at all. Okay, all right, now it's printing, it's cutting out that oval. This is such a simple little farmhouse decor with your Cricut. Okay, then we're going to eject it. All right. And all you need to do is just peel this up, and we have made a sticker a lot like I do my planner stickers, okay? And all you want to do is just peel this off. You don't need transfer tape. That's what we have. That would be so pretty on so many things, okay? All right, and then all you have to do is just eye it where you want it. And if you don't press down really hard, you have some forgiveness. And that's what we have. We'll take a look at it. Well, guys, here it is. That orange was bothering me, so I ended up just taking those Arteza markers. They're really easy to use. If you want them, I'll put them in the link of the description box below. I do have a coupon that's good till September 1st. But I just took that and just went over that with the bronze like I had on the outside, and I think it really elevates it. I'm glad I changed it. But this is such a cute Cricut farmhouse decor DIY. You could make, so it would be beautiful for your kitchen, hanging up. I think I'm going to put some Jenga blocks right in here, and so that I can set it up. I think it will be adorable. But this is what it is. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree fall DIY. I'm so excited about it. So until next time, bye guys.